I've just gone around and added some different colour scatters everywhere. These are just on at the moment. This 80% of this will get in fact back off. But I just thought I'd do all the surfaces so I can see where I'm going, and then I can add different colours, textures and things as I go. But I just wanted to get all the wood covered up, so done some green there and some coal up there, and then this is actually fine gauge end scale, but I thought that'd be quite good for a hardcore surface. So I'll leave that for 24 hours to dry, and then I shall vac it all off and see what we've got left. I've also just put some black plastic on the back just so you can't see through the windows anymore. Okay, so that's all vacked off. Putting the buildings back in place now. So what I'm going to do, I'm not gluing the buildings down, I'm going to glue some foliage and stuff around them. Okay, that'll do for that scene. Just added foliage, keep the buildings in place a bit. It will glue down a little bit, but not solid. Just adds a little effect. I'm going to wait till it's glued a little bit to do inside, because it's a bit fiddly. So I'm pushing building, so we'll wait till that dries. But yeah, you see it looks alright. A little bit raised there, but I shall do something with that bit. I might put a step in up to that door, and then the coal area. Yeah. So it's coming along that bit. So I've decided I'm going to make this area here a bit of a woodland area. So I imagine there'll be, can't have too many trees because it trains passing, but a few trees and a few smaller ones in that area, and then that will probably get fenced off straight across then. I think that'll look alright. So that's that plan for that area. So as it goes around that corner, I'll do that. And this build it will go here to there. And that'll have a bit of a better entrance to it. And then a little backyard. And that will get fenced off as well. Yeah, so that'll separate all them areas up. That'll look alright, I think. As you go around there. Yeah. Okay, that's my forest scene sorted. Just a mixture of trees, different styles and sizes, and just drilled a hole in the board, a bit of PVA, and then that should dry nicely. So now then, let's see if the trains can go by. Yep, ported. And go back. Okay, that's that. So this is the fencing that I bought. It's just a 3D print from them. Weren't very expensive. Can't remember how much it was, but it weren't very expensive. I've seen it quite a bit. So that's what I'm going to use. So I'm going to go straight down at that, all the way across, fence that area off. Okay, that's the fencing in. That bit. It's a nice scene. Just finishes it off. So once that's dried, we'll go down there with some more foliage and stuff just to hold that in place nicely. And then we'll look at fastening that in, but there's not really much point doing that until I've done the fence, because I'll be restricting myself. But I'm just going to leave that flooring as it is. Actually, that looks alright. I think we'll have some fencing across here with a gate to get into that yard. I'm not sure yet though. I might just have a little bit just to put in the corner just so it makes like an entrance. Let's have a look. Yeah, that looks better. And then probably something just here. So it looks like a yard entrance. Okay, that looks alright. Nice little yard there. I think that seems nice now. Yeah, it's gonna look alright now, that end. So we'll wait for that lot to dry. Add some bits and bobs, just a little bit of grass stuff, not overboard, just a little bit, so clumps of grass and things like that. And then I can do around that building. Okay, so I've just gone down the edge of there. So we mixture of bits and bobs. So that's really the yard ready then to put that building back. I think that'll look too bad. Okay, that's that in situ. See a train coming through this scene then now. Yeah, so I'm happy enough with that. I think that's looking the part. So we'll leave it there for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.